Ayun. Basta ikaw naman, Kobe, always supporting.
Yes po.
What do you like most about her?
In all honesty, Okay.
Yung sa akin, dun ko talaga nakita na mata.
Ayun. Kobe, hi.
First time together.
Nakakatawa na magkakasama tayo rito at talagang you had ilang days na magkasama to really unwind. So, how does it feel whenever may mga nasa ganitong lugar?
Para sa akin, masaya po. Kasi kasama po namin yung parents ni Kai. So it gives me a chance to bond with them and to get, you know, each other better. Even you guys, para makilala po kayo. So, masaya po.
Yes, Kai.
Tsaka kami kasi ni Kobe, we really love nature. We love exploring also. So it's a good thing din naman po na nandito. Tsaka yun nga, bonding with my family and with my beautiful lolas. And tita. Tita Bel kasi ito eh.
The team
And of course,
para.
The team
of
para.
course, you had good lunch. You had seafood, and
Yes, advice.
I was sobrang natuwa ako kay Kobe because he's really so fond of crabs.
Yeah.
Ang galing niya mag
On the way po dun sa tinanong ko siya, gutom ka ba? Sabi niya, hindi. Pero pagdating doon, inubos niya po yung nag-aagawan sila nila mama. Tsaka ni Tita Bel ng crabs. Inaagawan po si mama ng crabs.
Nagutom mo.
So Kobe, saan mo nakuha yung ang galing mo pala maghimay ng crabs?
Sa ano ko po, sa lola ko po, tsaka sa papa ko. Kasi mahilig po kami kumain. Even my mom, mahilig din siya kumain. So, just growing up po, nakikita ko lang po sa kanila kung paano talaga kumain ng seafood. Saka hilig lang po talaga. Mahilig lang talaga ako sa Filipino food.
At masarap pag nakakamay.
Sobrang sarap po. Tsaka may pawis para
May asim. May dagdag na asim.
wala nang sausawan.
Oo. So, anong mga plano niyong gawin while here?
You will enjoy the Quezon province, Infanta, to be specific. Beach.
Beach?
Pero bago po yan, syempre, celebrate muna natin ang birthday ni Vice.
Tama.
And then, tomorrow, magbi-beach kami dahil isa po itong island boy. And yeah, just explore around the beach po. Yeah, that's
With
it.
us.
With all of you. Hindi ko na nga po maantay na mag-swimsuit kayo.
Ikaw, Kobe, how much
Swim.
do you
nature.
do you like yung mga ganitong yung you
Yung
go
mga
to the
nature
beach and
and
then
beach.
you'll go island hopping?
It's my favorite thing to do. Especially having a chance to get away from the busy city in Manila. So I really love getting away and taking time to relax and just like what Kai said, to enjoy nature as well.
So does this vacation nagiging mas special ba itong vacation na to because Kylene is with you?
Yeah, I can say that.
Oh, why?
Wow!
Why daw?
Why? It's gonna be basically our first time or second time by the beach. So it's gonna be interesting to do activities this time. Kasi yung first time po namin sa China when we shot for Mobile Legends. Pero umuulan po eh, so we didn't get a chance to really swim. So this is our first time.
So the public always wants to know what's the real score?
Score 3 points. Let's go! Aray.
Yes, Kai. What can you say? What can you say to the public?
Ako naman po, lagi po ang sagot ko dyan is what you see is what you get. Yun lang naman po yung sinasagot ko lagi. And I think it's, since again, sinabi ko na po before, it's not my responsibility to explain or confirm nor deny anything to the public. I mean, I get it that even our private lives are their entertainment now. Because it's, part of our job, but we're not public properties. We're public figures. So,
Okay.
may right po kami na mag-deny or mag-confirm ng anything.
Pero ako po, sasagot po
Yeah,
ako.
privacy.
Go ahead.
Sasagot ako.
Go!
Meron akong famous quote online na yun eh. So we're just friends. We're just friends.
But you're very comfortable with each other now compared before.
Very good friends.
And Kobe, you're also very comfortable now with the people around Kaylin.
Yeah. Growing up, my dad and kuya ko nga and my mom were in the spotlight, showbiz. So I've been around. So
So, yung having the people around Kaylin with you, ano ba yon? Parang
feeling ko nga mas sumisikat ako na yun eh dahil kay Kaylin. Eh.
Do you feel that?
Feeling.
Hindi, joke lang.
Pero
what
marami-
really what endears ano ba yung nakaka-endear kay Kaylin sa'yo?
I said it in a lot of my interviews. Her fire and her passion for her work, her ambitiousness, it's close to none. And it's very nice seeing a girl boss doing her thing and taking care of her family and providing for her family. Not a lot of people do that. I don't really have a lot of friends who provide for their family or have the pressure to take care of their family. So it makes me happy and makes me very proud na ganun po siya na tao.
And when it comes to her ugali,
Masama po.
Ano masama po to? sa camera lang talaga mabait. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Aray.
Hindi kasi diba sa work mo, ganyan ka talaga. Kontrabida.
So,
Wala lang, yun lang. Ganun ka.
okay.
Di ba,
Hindi, joke lang.
di ba pag mga kaibigan, meron din terms of endearment. Kayong kaibigan.
Good friends, actually.
friends.
Friends.
Frenny.
Okay, and what endears Kaylin to you physically?
Ano po?
Physically, what do you like most about her?
Sa akin po, yung mata. Sabihin ko sana forehead, pero yung mata po.
Grabe naman yung
Yung mata.
Why the eye?
Yun po yung first ko nakita when I met her. So, yung eyes ko.
Nakita mo yun?
And then yung forehead mo.
O ikaw, Kai.
And then Kai, ikaw, what endears Kobe to you? Unang man sa ugali tapos physically.
Ugali. Well, si Kobe po kasi, mas lalong nagkakilala kami sa isa't isa. Or nakikilala ko siya. Nakikita ko talaga that he's really independent. He's caring, not just sa sarili niya, but of course sa family niya. And kahit sa mga kaibigan niya actually, I've met some of his friends po and sinasabi talaga nila na iba si Kobe mag-alaga. Wow. And he's really thoughtful. And lastly, he's funny.
Okay.
Yun po talaga yung ano sa akin. Manang-mana kay Tito Benji.
And physically,
Ano?
Pangkod.
Physically, ako yung smile niya po. Yung smile niya actually. Yan yung pati ng pasta natin. Hindi siya.
Okay, that's
Bawi lang, bawi lang.
Kai, we can see and we can sense na iba yung happiness mo ngayon.
Opo. Kasi tropa po talaga.
Talagang
Mga tropa.
parang you have found someone that talaga who will always make you smile and just be happy and joyful.
Oo naman po.
Pero minsan nag-iinis.
Minsan, most of the time. Kasi ang laki niya po eh. Minsan talaga may accidental na gano'n. Yun lang.
Kai,
Ikaw, Kobe, would you say that you're happier now?
Yes, I am. kulang na lang talaga ma-meet ng mom ko si Kai. And my mom's in Europe right now, so hopefully when that day comes, I'll be
Oo.
happier.
But you have told your mom about
Yeah, we've had various FaceTime calls. So,
anong sabi niya?
hi, hello, how are you?
Alagaan mo yung ano mo, sugat mo.
Anong comment niya kay Kai?
Wala naman comment. She expresses to me how much she's excited to meet her. So, it excites me as well. Because I haven't seen my mom in a while. Last time I saw her was Amsterdam.
Ikaw naman Kai, siyempre si mama at si papa, nandyan, na-meet na nila si Kobe. What do they tell you about him? Anong comment nila?
Lakas daw po niya kumain. Hindi, si Papa po kasi hindi siya ma-affirm by words. As long as nakikita ko at si Kobe as long as nakikita ko si Kobe at si Papa po na nagbabond and they're laughing, that's parang a confirmation for me na parang, oh my gosh, in fairness, nagkakasundo sila. And not just my father, but even my brothers po. As in, galaro sila ng pusoy dos. And, yun, nagbabond sila. Si mama naman po, si mama sa ano siya, hindi po kasi ma-words talaga yung pamilya ko eh. Sa tingin si mama, pag tumitingin si mama, pagramdam ko na pinagkakatiwalaan ni mama na, like, lumabas po kami, like, movie or brunch or dinner, din ko po nararamdaman na parang, okay. Pwede na. Wow.
Kobe and Kai from China to New York, you've been together and some provincial togetherness. So, ano yung mga best discoveries nyo sa may mga red flags ba? Or
Green flags lang.
all green flags ba lahat and all?
Ikaw.
In all honesty, Okay.
Yung sa akin, dun ko talaga nakita na matakot talaga si Kai. Dun sobrang saya ko kasi sobrang hilig ko rin kumain eh. So yeah, matakot siya.
Red flag daw.
Red flag. Nagagalit siya pag di ako nagsashare ng pagkain. Sa akin yan eh, ba't mo kukuha ng pagkain?
Hindi naman siya sa New York.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Ikaw, Kai.
Ano pa?
Si Kobe Green, red flag muna tayo. Ang red flag ni Kobe, indecisive. Ako lagi pinapapili niya. So parang ako yung, ikaw naman. Green flag, parang wala. Char. Yung pagiging, yung ugali niya po, it's a green flag all in all.
Napakalinis niya, di ba?
Hindi oh.
Sobra.
Oo.
Sobra.
Okay. And Kai, magkakaroon ng bagong time slot ang Shiny. And congratulations, ang taas.
Anong oras po siya?
Magiging ano na siya, 3:20?
Hindi ko alam seryoso.
Magiging 3:20 na siya.
Let's go.
Yeah, anong masasabi mo na iniligay kayo sa mas maagang time slot at ang ganda ng support na nakukuha niyo from the viewers?
Pressure si Kanya.
I'm very thankful po. Siyempre, kahit anong time slot naman po talaga, sabi nga namin buong cast, kahit anong time slot, okay kami. As long as magustuhan ng ating mga kapuso yung pinapanood nila, yung storya namin, that's good enough na po para sa amin. And yun po, we feel really blessed and almost every time na nag-hit po kami ng mataas na rating, si Tita Connie po talaga nag-share siya ng prayer for all of us para mas ma-continue pa po yung pagtaas ng ratings. Kasi napakaganda po talaga ng material namin.
At babalik na kayo sa pagtitaping ulit?
Yes, after po nitong vacation, balik na po sa pagtitaping. Nakaka-excite na po. But it's sad also because it's gonna be our last 2 days sa pagtitaping po. It's sad. Kasi ngayon, dahil October na po ngayon, a year na po kami nagsushoot.
Oo, pero candidate daw kayo for extension. So, ibig sabihin,
Really?
more taping days.
Galing kasi ni Joanna.
Wow, hindi si Tita Connie, si Kate, si Michael, si Paul, si Miss Officer Glide, si Miss Light, Sir Wendell,
So,
and all that.
Kobe, nakikita mo si Joanna.
Opo.
So, how do you find Kaylin bilang si
Huwag mo
Joanna?
patapusin mo yung question, oo. agad.
Yeah. How do you find Kaylin as Joanna?
Very, very interesting. Yung kilala kong Kylene, yung mabait, very down to earth, very friendly. So yung napanood ko po yung Shining Inheritance, dun po talaga ako nagulat. Kasi iba yung, niya kontrabida siya eh. So,
Ibang-iba.
Ibang-iba. Sobrang nakaka-proud. Tsaka nakakatakot din. Kaya nakaka-proud.
Kaya ito, pwede mong sagutin, pwede rin hindi, huwag ka nang mag-comment. Yung tungkol sa issue ng pag-unfollow, ano mo doon? What's your take on that issue?
Ako po, ayoko po muna siyang pag-usapan, and because I think it's a private thing po na dapat sa private lang siya mapag-uusapan or
I-resolve, no?
at i-resolve po, yeah.
Ayun. Basta ikaw naman, Kobe, always supporting.
Yes po. Diyan lang po ako.
So you're still open naman for friendships, di ba?
Oo naman po, of course. Yeah.
Ayun. Okay. So,
Invite.
ano na lang tayo, Kai, ng Shining.
Okay. Sama ka.
Sige.
Post po
For
is-
Joanna.
Ayan mga kapuso, sana po panoorin niyo pa rin po ang Shining Inheritance dahil patindi na po na patindi ang aming bardagulan ni Ina. And syempre gusto rin po namin magpasalamat ni Kobe sa lahat ng sumuporta sa Mobile Legends Miss Legends series.
Kumusta na yun, Kobe?
Okay naman po. Sobrang saya. First time ko mag-act in a while, so medyo hiyang-hiya ako nung buong shoot kasi kasama ko to. Pro na pro.
Do you want to see
Would you be willing na, since nag-act ka sa dito sa Mobile Legends, ikaw ba open ka rin ba to do some acting projects on screen?
Yung papa ko po, he's been pitching ideas. Nakasama kuya ko, ako, to a lot of companies. So, I feel like if I was given a chance to act again, it would be for my dad.
Ayun. At si Kai naman ang magsusupport.
Yes.
Opo naman. Of course.
Okay.
Ako yung hear it lang. How do you feel yung yung friendship nyo, yung tandem nyo? Talagang it's getting a lot of positive responses from the public. Talagang maraming kinikilig and all. So, how do you feel about it?
Actually po kami ni Kobe, we don't have any idea kung ano pong nangyayari sa social media world. Kasi isa po din sa natutunan ko kay Kobe is not to mind comments. And may times din po na hindi ko rin talaga titiyan yung social media accounts ko. Or check ko siya para mag-upload for work, ganyan. But yeah, kaya we're thankful po if ganun man po. But yeah, hindi po namin alam kung actually siya mismo. Kasi, di ba sabi niya yung goal niya is to delete all of his social media accounts. So as much as possible, wala siyang social media accounts. But right now, I'm proud of him dahil may TikTok na po siya.
Pero hindi po ako nag-handle.
Huwag mo sabihin yun, ikakat nila yun. Dapat parang ikaw yun.
Anyways, I'm just glad yung supporters ko po, tsaka supporters ni Kai, magkasundo. Makes me very happy. And yeah, like what Kai said, I'm not really big into social media these days, but kailangan po na. So yeah, thankful po kami sa lahat ng fans namin.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Kalain mo yun.
First follower.